I just got this brand new electric pressure washer and this thing is phenomenal. What's so great about it is also how easy it is to use. All you gotta do is plug it in like a normal hose into an electrical outlet and boom, this thing is ready. My back patio definitely needed a deep cleaning. Look in between those cracks. This pressure washer is definitely strong for its small compact size. It has different nozzle sizes and settings, and this is just such a great new addition to the house for cleaning outside and for cleaning up the cars. My favorite is the foam cannon, no more going to the car wash. And this thing's on sale, so you need to check it out.